Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is interesting, looking at how Microsoft is planning to actually monetize the Copilot for business customers. So of course Copilot is what we'll have free of charge in Windows at some point, probably with 23H2 on Windows 11. But the interesting part of this is that the Microsoft shares have really gone up a lot because they plan to actually be having a rate or a price tag of $30 per month on using Copilot for Office. And of course, the Copilot offers and what the promise is that it's going to be an enhanced partner for the Microsoft Office and for productivity. This is interesting. I mean, this is they're really planning on that AI assistant to totally change the way we work, totally change the way things are going to be done. So it's with $30 per month per person for its commercial Microsoft 365. This is pretty crazy. We talk about, and I've seen this as a tech guy, how everything is extremely expensive on the commercial side. So not only will they have the licenses and the billing for using all of this, but Copilot will be. I'm actually surprised they will get $30 per month per person for commercial licenses for using Copilot. For that to happen, this needs to change the way productivity happens. This needs to show that it's worth it because the company will make even more money with this. So this is very interesting. It's going to be something to look at. But this, of course, pushed the Microsoft stock even higher. We know that Apple has passed the 3 trillion mark in market share or in market cap for its shares, and they think that Microsoft will be the next one to be there. Pretty crazy when you think about it. The market value of these companies is, in my opinion, way overhyped. But anyways, $30 per person per month for business, for commercial licenses. What do you guys think of that? Is it really way too much and screwing up commercial enterprise, or is that a fair price, fair deal? Or it like I said, it really needs to give an amazing experience for this to be a good deal, basically. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.